Hello guys. Welcome to your YouTube channel NB InfoTech. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to take the PC from workgroup to domain. This tutorial will be helpful for both server engineers and desktop support or technical support engineers. Watch the whole video carefully. The first step for taking PC into the domain is to create a computer account in Active Directory. Open Run window and type dsa.msc. Active Directory users and computer window will be open. Under domain name nbinfotech.com. Right-click on Computers and go to New and then select Computer option. A new object window will appear here. Enter the computer name and click on OK. Double-click on the computer properties window will open. Here you can add extra information about this object that is computer, like DNS name or computer description, etc. In the Member of tab, you can add your computer into particular OU. OU means an organizational unit, where you have already set some policies. We will discuss OU in a separate tutorial. The second step is, go to the client computer and set the IP address first. To set the IP address, open Run window and type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. A new window will open. Right-click on your network adapter and go to Properties. Now click on the Internet Protocol version 4, that is IPv4, and click on Properties. Set the static IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. And put the preferred DNS IP address and alternate DNS IP. Here DNS IP is your domain server IP address. Then click on OK, and close the window. Now, open Command Prompt, or CMD window, and ping to your domain, by its IP address, or by its name, nbinfotech.com, to check connectivity is proper or not. If ping is successful, then go to next step. In third step, right-click on this PC icon or my computer icon and go to Properties. Here, go to Computer Name, Domain, and Workgroup Settings. As you can see, currently this PC is in Workgroup. Click on Change Settings, and click on Change button. We have created computer account with name, Client1, set this computer name here. Under Member of section, select Domain option and add your domain name. In this case it is nbinfotech.com. It will ask you to enter credentials. Enter credentials of domain user with admin rights. After that you will see welcome message and system will ask you to restart the computer to take effect the changes. If you like this video, then comment your response. Subscribe our channel NB InfoTech for more videos. So stay tuned with us and watch more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.